of, it's Greek mythology. The image translates onto the bottle, and the bottle is absolutely stunning. And the packaging is beautiful. So here we go. Here's how it all opens up. And here's the bottle. So you may have seen these bottles on various channels. I think a popular one from them is the Triumph of Bacchus. That one sounded lovely, but this one seemed more up my street because it's essentially a rose and raspberry fragrance. It's sort of leaning gourmand. It just sounded really beautiful. It sounded like a really sweet rose raspberry, which is so up my street. And I think that the bottle really pushed me to go ahead and do it. I mean, it's so beautiful, and it's beautiful in life. You know, it looks as pretty in life as on the camera. On me, the first thing I actually thought was, well, it's a real syrupy sweetness. Now, the notes are all listed on the inside of this box. High quality. You've got Mysore sandalwood. You've got rose absolute. It's actually a very, very expensive material. Oh, but Bulgarian rose, rose absolute, Mysore sandalwood. There's some really nice notes in there, if you can just about see them. And the first thing I thought was the nuttiness behind the rose, which is very pleasant. There's a really pleasant, real rich, sweet, syrupy, rosy, raspberry quality.